Welcome back, Crammers, to question 18. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Calculate the length of BC. We can use the rule of similarity to see that BC divided by A to B, which is 4, is equivalent to this side of the similar triangle, RQ, 16.5, divided by PQ, which is 12. Multiply both sides by 4 to remove the denominator. Multiply by 4. This cancels out. And we're left with BC is equivalent to 16.5 divided by 3. We can then use a calculator here. We have 16.5 divided by 3 gives us 5.5 centimeters. And write down an expression for y in terms of x. We can use the exact same rule. We can see that y here, y divided by pq, which is 12, is equivalent to x divided by 4. Multiply both sides by 12 to remove the denominator. Multiply by 12. This cancels out. So this is simply 3 times x. So y is equal to 3x. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.